maybe she's our...
Because she's the mom of Chris Aquino.
Yes.
Sinample lang kami ni Sean ng kanyang galing pagdating sa flags of the world. O kayo dyan, ha? O ha? Watch and learn. This is the flag of...
Russia.
Alam mo ba yun? Na-flag yan ng Russia? Ako hindi. Okay, ha? Are you ready?
Yes.
This is the flag of...
Libya.
Ganun pala flag ng Libya, no? Green lang. No? Wala silang imagination. Parang hindi pinag-isipan yung flag nila. Libya. Very good. Going to choose again, randomly. This is the flag of...
What? Guatemala.
Guatemala. Very good. Okay. Get another flag, huh? Wow, we have two. One on top is the
North
flag
Korea.
of... And then, under...
South Korea.
Tama ba? Wow, North Korea and South Korea. Very good. Oh, two more, huh? Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness. This one you do not know. I'm going to show them first, huh?
Yes.
You keep quiet, huh? So they don't know the answer, huh? Oh. Kaninong mga flag yan? Can you see? Anybody? Anybody know the answer? Yes, you. Sri Lanka. No, you're Bokya. What about you? Poland? No, you're Bokya too. Anybody? No. Okay. Our Sean here is going to answer. The one on top is Qatar. The one on the bottom is?
Romania.
Good. Di pa awat itong si Sean. Pati raw scientists and their inventions, memorize niya. You want to be a scientist when you
Yes.
grow up? Huh? Who's your favorite scientist?
Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright.
Oh, I have right here. I have Orville Wright. Ayan. What did Orville Wright do?
He makes airplane with his brother,
Who's his brother? What's his name?
Wilbur Wright.
Wilbur and Orville Wright are the Wright brothers.
Yes.
No? Did you know that? It's like, oh, there is pala Orville and Wilbur, no? Yan pala the brothers, no?
Yes.
They both invented the
Airplane.
airplane. Okay. Who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Very good. We'll give them a chance to answer again, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Who invented the stethoscope?
Stethoscope? Malay ko!
Sino ba yan?
Hindi, wala akong idea.
Siya.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Forgot. I don't know. Sandali, siguro lecture yata namin. Sorry, absent ata ako.
Who invented the stethoscope?
Ren Lanek.
Aber? Rene Lanek. Kung galing naman niya. Eto, siguro naman kaya niyo to. The first and last president of the First Filipino Republic. He proclaimed in Cavite, Cavite on June 12, 1898. Who's that?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Genio. Oh, you pick another card, huh? Yes. He is the king of Mactan Island and known as the first Filipino hero.
Lapu-Lapu.
Ang galing naman niya. Yes, pati Filipino heroes. Maning-mani dito kay Sean. I'm going to ask you, Sean, do you like being smart?
Yes.
Why?
So I will be a first honor.
You'll be a first honor. Why do you want to become a first honor?
Because so my mom will buy me a toy.
Yun lang pala yun. So your mom will... I thought you were going to say, kasi I want to make my mama proud. Also, no?
Yes.
Yes. So when you have an award, your mama also puts the medal. Diba?
Yes.
Yan ang good boy. Make your mama proud.
Maybe you like being smart so the girls will like you.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, and then what did the girls do? They say, "Oh, Sean, you're so smart naman." Huh? Are they like that? Huh? And do they do this like, "Oh, Sean naman, you're so smart naman." Huh? Yes?
Yes.
Huh? Yes?
Sabi sa inyo extra pogi point sa aming mga girls kung may laman ang kukote, kaya it really pays to be smart.
Okay, Sean, kiss Tita Alina. Bye-bye. Thank you, ha?
Mwah!
Mwah. We tell them to study. These people, around us, Mero, Tito Leo, Tita Jean. You tell them to study, These people, they're not studying, no?
Yes. They're not like me.
Mo, yeah. Mama,